Inside we are of course going to have the Anakin Skywalker hilt. You'll also find a manual to show you exactly how to use all of the functions of the lightsaber, a display stand that comes in the box, and it's going to look like this right here when it is set up. You're also going to have your charging cable, and I'll show you guys how to use that here shortly. And what's really cool is it comes with a film accurate pommel. So you can take this off, so if you want to put the saber on display and make it look more accurate, and you can put this one on so it looks like it would in the movies. And it looks really great. How awesome is that? And lastly, inside you will have some more of these wiper portions that go onto the bottom. These are on with adhesive, so if they do pop off, you have some extras that you can go ahead and put on there. Now, this case that is in front of me comes if you order the Profi version of the lightsaber, which is what we have here today, and is really awesome if you're looking for a sturdy carrying case if you're traveling or just want somewhere to store it safely when you're not using the saber.